Okay, hello. This is how to make a bookmark. This is a cardboard, so you do not need to cut anymore. I just make it a little bit narrower. It's so wide, and I shape it. A very simple one. You can cut the tip in a triangle shape, or it can be cut it round, or you can just draw anything that you like on the paper. For example, it can be a cat or anything. And there we go. A very long neck. You can draw anything on your bookmark. Any animal. You can draw, you can write, or you can just paint or color. So after that, you have to cut the shape out. Be very careful when you're using the scissors, and if you don't know how to use, you may ask your parents to help, and if they are not around, I think you better do not use the scissors if you do not know how to. You can use the paper scissor, for example, something which is safer. So it's ready. I need to color it now. You can color with anything that you have and is available, and it can be like the colored pencils if you have. It is better to be this one. If you don't have, you can use the oil pastel too. But this one, if you have tried before, it easily stains the paper and it doesn't go away. So for this one, we need, if you use this one to paint, after that you have to use a tape to just cover that paint so it doesn't touch the pages of the book. I use the pastel. Let me just see the progress of my work. We can combine different colors. So if you want to gain a smooth color, you can just take a piece of paper and just rub on the surface of the work like this. You can add any color to it, anything you like. Okay, some red color maybe here. So the bookmark is ready. You can write on it, or you can just be simply painting. You can add any design or color to it if you like. So I said if you are using this kind of the paints and the colors, so you need to protect it by using some glue or tape. So as you can see, I have my tape ready. Okay. first, pull it out, put it in the other direction like this. And put another one. And that's all. So now it's ready. You can cut it. And after that, you make sure that it is pasted everywhere. Then you can cut from the corners, a little bit distance from the edge of the paper from your marker. So one of the markers is ready. So you can use anything to decorate it if you like. So I have a pointer here, so you can make a hole at the end or at the top, doesn't matter. Maybe we can put it at the top on the forehead, and you just push it. So I punched here. There's a star. This when the pointer comes with design. So I can use a ribbon and tie it here. Another knot. If you like. If you have any other decorative things, items like buttons that you are not using, or glitters and anything you can use. So this is my bookmark. It's ready to use. You can just take your book, read, and whenever you want to stop, just put it here and yay. Thank you. See you again.